Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Welcome to today's Keeping It Real Fun collab, affectionately known as KIRF Collabs. This is a monthly collab that a very amazing group of women get together and do for fun. I will have all of the ladies' channels linked down below so that when you're done watching my video, you can go check out their videos. For the month of January, we are doing our 3 top makeup products for 2022. And it was not hard for me to come up with 3, but I could have come up with 10. Let me show you who else is in this amazing collab. So I have already done my skincare and put on a face primer. My very first top product of 2022 is surprising to me because I have always been a powder foundation girl. But this liquid foundation from HAUS Labs is simply amazing. I absolutely love it. It is so perfect for me because I don't like a heavy foundation. I will never be a full coverage girl. But this foundation covers yet has skincare ingredients in it and leaves your skin feeling and looking like skin, but it is also buildable. The HAUS Labs website says that this foundation is a medium coverage, and they have 51 shades, so it is very, very inclusive, which I absolutely love. It's supposed to be weightless, which I can attest to the fact that it is. It's a clean foundation that is infused with proprietary fermented Arnica that helps reduce redness, even skin tone, and protects from environmental stresses. You have to make sure that you shake it up. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone. And I am just going to put 2 pumps of it on the back of my hand. You can see it running. I'm telling you, I have resisted liquid foundations with everything in my being. I did not like how they made my skin look because my skin is textured and crepey. I didn't like how it felt. I don't like to feel like I have makeup on my skin. So I'm just going to dot it around. And then I'm going to take a slightly damp beauty sponge. I'm going to pick up what's left on the back of my hand. And then just start to spread it around. I'm going to turn my sponge over and use the other side just to pick up any extra because I feel like maybe I shouldn't have gone with 2 pumps. To make sure that I get it up into my hair, my ear, so that I don't have that white line. I do like to take it onto my eyelids, and I do take it all the way up under my eyes because I don't normally wear, sometimes I will wear a concealer, but normally I don't. And it just blends seamlessly. The finish is just amazing. Price-wise, it has in my opinion, kind of a medium price point because it is $45. But I mean, this bottle will last me a very long time. I think it's a good value for what it is, especially since it does have skincare ingredients in it. So I'm not mad about the price point at all. I'd rather pay a little bit more for something that I know is going to be good for my skin, that I enjoy wearing, that's comfortable. And so there's the foundation. I absolutely love it. I just love it. The second product that I tried in 2022 that I absolutely fell in love with, and I'm surprised again because I have resisted as well. Isn't it funny that we resist all the things that are probably good for us so that we would really enjoy? Is a cream product. Cream products were a little bit intimidating to me. I have since found that they are extremely user-friendly and easy to use. My second product is this Revolution London, Makeup Revolution London Cream Bronzer. And this is in the shade Light. And oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how much I love this bronzer. It looks so nice. It is a cool tone bronzer, and it just blends out so easy, and it looks so good. I just absolutely love it. This product is available on the Ulta website for only $8, which is very, very reasonable. And they have 4 or 5 shades, which range from light to a very, very deep tone. So I feel like that there are enough with just those 4 that should be inclusive for a variety of different skin tones. I surely hope so. I hope that I am not wrong in that. But I love this bronzer. And the way that I like to put it on, get my mirror, is with the e.l.f. with a damp, sometimes with a damp e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. concealer sponge. It works perfectly to do this bronzer. Sometimes I will put it on using this, but using it dry, which is why it has so many stains on it, is because I was using it dry. So I just take this and just pull it through to get some product on there. And then I start like in the contour area. You see how pretty that is? And then I have been liking bronzing just kind of the outer perimeter of my face. I used to bronze my cheeks, but now I find myself just wanting to bronze the outer edge and using it kind of like a contour. It is just, you see how easy that was? And it's buildable, so I can add more to it. It does not disturb the makeup underneath. It is just so pretty. See the difference? So, so pretty. I love it. I just love it. And without putting any extra product on there, I like to bronze my nose. I just like to add a little bit of shadow and bronziness to my nose. And I just take whatever's left on my sponge and go along my jawline. Put some shadow there. Look at how nice that looks. Okay. I'm going to get some powder and set that down, and then I will come back and we will talk about my third product for 2022. If you've been here with me for a while, my next product should not come as a shock to you at all. I have been talking about this brand for quite some time. I am so in love with this eyeshadow palette from Sydney Grace in Mel's Memory. It is a stunning color story, and Sydney Grace has some of the best formulas that I have ever used. And along with that, as I said earlier, it's all about the feeling. It's all about how makeup makes you feel. And this palette has all the feels for me because it was designed by Mel herself, Mel Thompson. If you don't know who Mel is, you can look her up here on YouTube. Her channel is still up and running. She is no longer with us, sadly. But she designed this palette, and Sydney Grace was so gracious to create this bundle and sell it, and part of the proceeds go to help her husband and her children. Mel created this bundle after the mini retro palette that Natasha Denona put out. She wanted a large palette like that, and so she pulled out her Sydney Grace singles and started designing one, and this is what she came up with. Now, of course, since then, this year, I believe, Natasha Denona released a large retro palette. So let me get my color switch that unfortunately is full of glitter. That's not good. So let's create a quick look with this palette. And I don't currently have the shade names in front of me. I will put them on the screen. But I am going to start with this shade here and use that as my transition shade. Mel was a fantastic makeup artist, and she was absolutely extremely caring and loving. She really did care about her subscribers and went out of her way to ensure that the information she was putting out was correct and that she did the best job she could on anything that she put out, even down to how she did her videos in a way that was useful to anybody that was watching. You see how quick and easy, just quick and easy. I love the Sydney Grace formulas, and they work very, very well for mature eyes. They are very friendly to those of us that have crepey, mature skin, and I do have quite a bit of crepey skin. As you can see, it's very, very movable, but these shadows play very well on my mature skin. These would be really good for somebody that is new to makeup because they are so easy to work with and they blend out so well. And now I'm going to go into this dark chocolate and put that in my outer V and in the crease. So pretty. Now I'm going to go into this pink. Since I'm wearing pink, do I want to go here or here? I just realized that this green has a little bit of yellow in it. I think I will go into this light green. Such a beautiful color. And it goes so well with that pink. And then I'm just going to clean that brush off, and I'm going to go into this very light shade, which has just a hint of a green shift to it, and put that in my inner corner. So pretty. Just phenomenal eyeshadows. They are phenomenal. I love Sydney Grace. I just love them. Love them, love them. So that is the Sydney Grace In Mel's Memory palette. I am going to put on some mascara and a lip, and I'll be right back to wrap this up. And this is the finished look using my top 3 makeup products for the year of 2022. The HAUS Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I didn't tell you what shade I was using. I am in the shade 280 Light Medium Neutral. I love it. I love how it makes my skin look. It doesn't even make my under eyes look terribly bad like some are prone to do. The Makeup Revolution London Creamy Bronzer. Love this stuff. Y'all hear thunder. This is in the shade Light. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend both of these products. And the In Mel's Memory eyeshadow bundle from Sydney Grace. Absolutely love this. I love it. I love the Sydney Grace formulas, and I love everything that this palette stands for because I just loved Mel. She was an amazing human being. Thank you once again to the KIRF collab group for allowing me to participate in yet another amazing collab. I will have all of their channels listed down below so that you can go check out their top 3 products for 2022. But before you go check out all those amazing channels, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you have 3 top beauty products for 2022? How about 3 top fishing lures? Maybe you can share that with us, okay? Mama loves you, boo.